before I get into the video on actually how to use the software, right here is a folder of a bunch of methods that can make you bread and a bunch of glitches in there, like Cash App, refunds, Amazon, all that other stuff. Yeah, basically just basically a folder on how to make you bread. You can buy it, either DM me on Telegram or join a link to my Discord in the description or the comments, and yeah. Alright, another thing, you can buy the software, or the tutorials on actually how to use everything. You can either DM me on my telly or join the Discord in the comments. The link to my Discord server in the comments. If you buy the software pack, it comes with a tutorial video. But if you want to buy a tutorial video separate, you can do that. But my Telegram should be up here on the top of the screen, and yeah. Alright, so this is part 1 on how to swipe for call cards. So, what you're first going to need is obviously the hardware. It can either be the hardware or the software, don't matter, but for the hardware, you're going to need an MSR. This is the one I personally use, MSR 605X. You can get the Bluetooth one right here, but this is the one I have. This is the one I recommend getting. That one's optional if you just want to swipe like while you're on vacation or something. I don't know, up to you. This is an Omni key, you're going to need this. You can also get, well, I heard people say you can get this one, but at the same time I heard people say that this one kind of doesn't, like, work sometimes, I guess. I don't know, but I recommend this one. It's cheaper and it's the one I use. It's the one that mostly everybody uses, so. Now, for the cards, you're going to need these type of cards. It's going to have to say unfused, J2AO40s, 2-track, Heiko, and Polo Max Rip. Okay. But yeah, make sure it says those things when you're buying the actual card. Because some people, they buy something called a Bondo card. Wait, let's see. Did I do it right? Wait, look. They'll buy something like this. These, I don't think they work. I'm pretty sure they don't work. I don't know because I never bought these cards, but what I've heard, these do not work. You're going to need the ones I was just talking about, these right here, J2AO40s. So, yeah. Alright, so for the first thing we're going to have to do is we're going to have to delete the card. Well, we're going to have to delete everything off the card, because when you order the card off of Amazon, eBay, don't matter where you order it from, when you order the card, it's already going to have stuff on it, so that's why we use JCOP English, alright. So what you want to do is, plug up your Omni key. Alright, then you're going to put the card in. Alright, you want to delete JCOP file. Your card should blink. You should wait for it to say file deleted successfully. Alright, now you want to format the JCOP card for the chip. Takes a little minute. Now it says JCOP chip formatted with success. Alright, so once started. Alright, so what you want to do is you want to copy. Wait, before I do that, when you buy a dump, it should come with track 2, a pin, and those are really the main thing. Everything else is credit. What you can do is go on a bank checker, get the first 6 digits of the track 2, you want to copy it and put it into a bank checker, and it'll tell you if it's a Visa credit, tell you the bank, all that. So, yeah. So what you can do is copy. Another thing, if your track 2 does not come, if your track 2 comes like this, you're going to add 0 to the end. So it's full. So it's 37 chapters, I'm pretty sure, 37. So, yes, that's enough. And if it's too many zeros, then you want to subtract until it's 37 zeros. But, yeah. Card, and we don't have that. There is application label. I can barely read my bad. But, what this is a Visa credit. It's a fake dump that I made of, and I put Visa, so you want to put Visa credit. Make sure you do the caps. Track 1, we didn't get that, so Visa, track 1. Alright. Rider, Omni key. Expiration date. Alright, the expiration date, so it's 2/8/04/20. Alright, so this thing about the expiration date kind of gets confusing. Let me explain. So, 28, that's 2028, so that's the year the car expires. 04, that is April, so April, and the thing about it is, you have to know how many days, well, you can obviously just go to your calendar and look how many days are in April. So, April has 30 days, so, whoops, 30. Expiration date, let's say get your expiration date. So, effective date, same thing as expiration date. Thing about it is, it was actually when the car was made, so you want to subtract it by 4 years, so 24/04/30. So, if you buy a dump and it says 27/04/30, you want to subtract it by, you want to subtract the 27 by 4, or you want to subtract a year by 4 years. So since mine was 28, then this will be 24. So AID, 31, that's for Visa. For Master, hold on, 410. PIN. For the PIN, this is a fake dump. So the PIN is important. The PIN is like the most important thing. Track 2 and PIN are the most important thing when you buy a dump in the ISC. Let me get to that in a minute. So PIN is 2771. Alright, country code, I live in the US, so 0440. Currency, same thing. That's the country code, so 0840. IST, this is where you generate. So the thing about IST generator is, if you buy a dump and it doesn't come with IST, you can generate it from here. But the thing about this is you have to actually have the physical card with that bin of that dump that you bought in your hand, and so it's kind of confusing, but basically if you buy a dump and it doesn't come with an IST, then you're fucked. So yeah. If you want to ask me questions about how I generate the IST, I can explain it better. If you DM me, I'm gonna put my name on top of the screen right here, so yeah. IST load. IST load, this is where you'll actually load the IST. So this is a fake now, 517394. So let's open. IST load, this is where you'll actually open or load the IST. You just want to open it, go click the IST, boom, it'll pop up there, but we ain't gonna get into that, it will be too long. And you want to copy, or you want to rewrite everything, like copy everything right here. And ARQC. So ARQC